itong si Ryan Garcia, medyo dumidikit kay Floyd Mayweather. Are we seeing now that Ryan Garcia will be smarter in his matching and in picking his opponent para mas maganda ang flow ng career niya ala Floyd Mayweather?
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This content is presented by Arena Plus, Astig sa Sports.
At dahil nga nakikita-kita natin itong si Ryan Garcia, medyo dumidikit kay Floyd Mayweather. Are we seeing now that Ryan Garcia will be smarter in his matching and in picking his opponent para mas maganda ang flow ng career niya ala Floyd Mayweather? Feeling mo ba, lilipat yata kasi patapos na rin yata yung kontrata niya kay, kay Golden Boy
Well, Sir Pao, tingin ko, I guess, na talagang mukhang ganun na rin yung mangyayari ngayon kay Ryan Garcia. And another fact, baka mamaya, baka mamaya itong si Ryan Garcia, mas piliin na lang din talaga niya yung mga big payday fight. Pero pagkataka ko, big payday din naman yung kay Devin Haney. Pero bakit ayaw na niya matuloy bigla yung kay Devin Haney? He is calling out Devin Haney. Then bigla siyang umatras. Maybe influence niya ni Floyd. Hindi natin alam dahil baka mamaya may sinabi si Floyd na mas malaki pag-asa mo kay Rolly kasi bata din naman ni Floyd si Rolly. Under Mayweather promotion yan, Sarpao, tsaka kay Alemon, yan si Rolly. Baka maya kaya niya yung sinabi. We still don't know, pero tingin ko mas magiging matalino si Ryan Garcia picking out his opponents. Maybe mga pipiliin na lang niya, mga malalaking laban like Pitbull. Kung hindi mo matuloy yung kay Devin Haney, I want to see him against Rolly or Pitbull
I think sa akin itong Ryan Garcia, if I'm the boxer as well, kung hindi na ako masaya kay Golden Boy, which is Golden Boy is for me good pa rin naman as a promoter, but having Floyd Mayweather beside you to guide you with your career, parang almost a win ka na and it's not just the big fight, the winter. I think it's the winnable fight. I mean, I like the fight when naglaban sila ni Tank Davis, pero that was too soon. Ryan Garcia wasn't ready for someone like Tank Davis. He was ready in reference to the having a big fights. So siguro dapat medyo curated ang tawag ng pagta-trash talk at paghahamon nito ni Ryan Garcia because isang pagkatalo pwedeng maano yung mo kumbaga yung marketing value So tingin ko not a good kaya medyo alangan siya. Yung Devin Haney rin bro outbox lang siya noon.
Yun tingin ko baka nga mamaya sarap pabagsakin din siya Nakita na natin yung kakayahan ni Devin Haney sa 140. Siguro kaya hindi talaga nalabas yung punching power niya, yung killer instinct niya sa 135 kasi baka piga na siya. Tapos kaya nadagdagan siya, 140 na siya. Baka mamaya, di natin alam kasi mas lalo naging explosive tsaka powerful yung Devin Haney. Baka mamaya pabagsakin din siya nung Haney.
Yun na nga. And that's the reason why we may have seen the last of Ryan Garcia being yung gusto niya kasi magagandang laban, magaganda. Pag nahawa ka na ni Floyd Mayweather, hindi na basta-basta lalaban niya nang hindi siya lamado. Either sa stats or sa negotiation table. Hindi na basta-basta mangyayari kung talagang lilipat siya kay Floyd. We know Floyd is very smart. So unfortunately, mahaba-habang usapan ng negotiation lagi ang mangyayari dyan.
Pati, boss, I heard yung Haney tsaka si Tank Davis, magkatropa yun pero wala daw si Tank dyan na outbox sabi sa sparring. Ewan kong, yun yung narinig ko, hindi to na balita.
Yeah, well, I mean, sparring is sparring. It's not the real fight, but yeah. Haney, Tank Davis ako dyan kasi mas mabilis siya din at magaling din sa Tank Davis at may power. Although ang galing na rin ni Devin Haney ngayon, I think mas nagiging magaling si Devin Haney sa mga huli ko nakikita sa kanya.
Pati mas malaki yung Haney, di ba, kaysa kay Tank?
Yeah.
Mas
Yes.
malaki. Yun nga
Mas
daw ang
malaki.
ano dun eh. Oo, pati mas technical daw yung Haney. Isa,
Yes,
ewan,
mas technical.
diba?
No
Tapos
doubt.
Technical
kaya
talaga
lang,
si Haney.
Hindi mo ba, Sar, pa ako nakikita kung saka, go Kuya Drin.